Detectives assigned to the St. Catherine North Police have launched an investigation into the shooting death of a 35-year-old man in Bog Walk last night. He has been identified as Kemar Edwards, unemployed, of Shenton District in Bog Walk. It was reported that about 9:30 p.m., explosions were heard in a section of the Shenton community. The police were called and Edwards' body was found in a zinc shack at the back of a premises. The Shenton police are probing the circumstances surrounding the death of an unidentified man whose body was found in Dunsville Ocho in the parish on Thursday. The body is of dark complexion, slim built and about 167 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches long. Reports are that about 8:15 a.m., residents stumbled upon the body and alerted the police. Upon their arrival, the man's body was seen with chop wounds, including a wound to the head, lying on the roadway. It was clad in a white undershirt, black and white shirt, grey jeans underwear, and grey shorts. The scene was processed and the body was removed to the morgue. A man was taken into custody after a .45 pistol with a magazine containing 7 rounds of ammunition was seized during an operation on Fairview Avenue in Kingston on Thursday. Reports are that about 11:30 a.m. a team of officers assigned to the St. Andrew South Division were on operation in the area when the premises was searched. During the search, the firearm and ammunition were found. The identity of the man who was taken into custody is being withheld pending further investigation, the police say.